Most people trying Faceless YouTube in 2025 are already too late. They're copying the same formats, the same niches, and the same advice everyone else is using. I discovered something most creators completely miss. Not because they're smarter, but because they're operating in very specific lanes most people ignore. And once you see where they're winning, you'll understand exactly what will dominate YouTube in 2026. Right now, most creators are chasing what used to work: AI tutorials, faceless motivation, trend-based content that already peaked. Meanwhile, the faceless creators who are quietly winning are doing something different. They choose one problem, one audience, and one clear explanation, then repeat that formula consistently. That's the real difference. Before we continue, quick note. I've opened a private faceless YouTube community where I break down niches, formats, and AI workflows step by step. If that sounds useful, you can check it out through the link below. Let's start. The first niche is economics and finance. This niche focuses on explaining how money systems affect everyday life, including prices, rent, wages, inflation, and cost of living. The goal isn't to sound academic. It's to make confusing systems understandable. Channels like Primate Economics use simple animation to explain inflation and trade. Monkey Explains focuses on daily expenses like groceries and housing. Economics Explained connects global economic decisions to personal financial pressure. To create content like this, many creators use ChatGPT to research and simplify economic topics, or Perplexity to find up-to-date, well-sourced explanations. For visuals, AI image generators like Midjourney or Leonardo AI are often used to create clean illustrations, characters, or symbolic scenes without needing design skills. 11 Labs provides consistent voiceovers, and CapCut is enough to edit everything into a clear, watchable video. The key advice here is to answer one real-world money question per video and explain it like you're talking to a normal person, not teaching a class. The second niche is digital culture and internet documentaries. This niche explains how influence, attention, and power work online. Instead of reacting to drama, these channels tell structured stories. Internet Anarchist documents how creators and platforms rise and fall. Tell Us More focuses on who internet personalities really are beneath the spotlight. Sunny V2 explains creator growth, controversy, and platform behavior. In this niche, research matters more than visuals. Creators often use Notebook LM to organize large amounts of research or Perplexity to verify facts quickly. ChatGPT helps turn that research into a clear narrative. For visuals, AI image tools like Midjourney or Leonardo AI are used to generate symbolic scenes, abstract backgrounds, or documentary-style imagery when real footage isn't available. 11 Labs keeps narration consistent, and CapCut or DaVinci Resolve handles pacing. The advice here is simple: fewer videos, deeper research. The third niche is book ideas and visual essays. This niche turns ideas from psychology, philosophy, and self-improvement books into short stories people actually remember. It's not about summarizing books. It's about explaining how ideas change behavior. Escaping Ordinary explains why people stay stuck in the same thinking patterns. Antidote explores philosophical and psychological ideas through visual essays. Einzelgänger focuses on stoicism and existential thought. The main advice here is to connect every idea to a real emotion or daily struggle. The fourth niche is painted and visual explainers. This niche explains complex ideas using simple drawings created step by step while the explanation happens. The Paint Explainer builds ideas visually in real time. Simple Paint Official strips everything down to the basics. The Paint Professor applies the same approach to educational topics. Some creators draw directly in tools like Canva, while others use AI image generators to create base sketches or reference images before simplifying them further. Editing is usually done in CapCut or DaVinci Resolve, with 11 Labs providing clean narration. The advice here is to slow down. Let the viewer follow the idea as it forms. The fifth niche is historical deep dives. This niche tells history through specific moments and human decisions rather than long timelines. World War II Tales focuses on lesser-known stories. Kings and Generals explains battles and strategies with maps. Voices of the Past uses real letters and documents to add emotion. AI tools like ChatGPT help outline events and uncover unique angles, while Perplexity helps confirm sources. When archival footage is limited, creators often use Midjourney or DALL-E to generate historically inspired imagery that matches the narration, always paired with proper fact-checking. The key advice here is to focus on people, not dates. Emotion is what keeps viewers watching. If you're still listening, here's the truth. You now know which niches are already working, and you've seen the exact AI tools creators are using to build content efficiently. The only difference between you and them is that they started. I host a Faceless YouTube community for creators where I share my workflow, try out new AI tools, and post the prompts I'm using. It's just a place to learn, experiment, and compare notes. If you want to take a look, the link's below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more exciting updates.